Hi all, this is Anushka Ghosh, your very own Miss Universe Odisha 2025 and आज मैं हूँ MTV Splitsvilla X6. I'm a model and actor by profession और मैं दिल्ली से आई हुई हूँ. Honestly speaking, मैं Splitsvilla में इसीलिए आई हूँ because I have been single for a very long time. मैं हमेशा मेरी काम में focus रही हूँ, busy रही हूँ and I feel like this is my perfect time to actually indulge in a romantic relationship and this is the best place to start with. और मुझे लगता है जो किसी में नहीं है जो मुझ पे है that is the way I speak. I am the queen bee over here and I am here to rule the villa. And also I think reality show is something जो कभी मेरा forte था नहीं, but I'm here to shine, you know. So yeah, here I am, your queen. Thank you.
This is your insider Simran Behel और मेरे साथ है अभी अनुष्का. Hi Anushka, you look really stunning.
Thank you, so do you.
Thank you so much. How are you?
All good, you tell me how are you?
I am great, but now we all want to know about you.
All right.
Who Anushka is.
Let's
so
go.
I have few questions for you.
हाँ जी.
ठीक है, जल्दी मुझे सबके answers दे दो.
बिल्कुल.
So going with पहला question है, what's the compliment you always get?
It's not always I've got कि हाँ look की वजह से you are like the you caught my eyes. No, it's also the way I talk. I feel like that's what I have always heard
So
कि
boys also notice this
हाँ
thing
जी हाँ
only?
जी हाँ जी हमेशा लड़कों ने तो बोला है यार the way you speak अनुष्का भाई we have to come to you. Yeah, in
How
a
do
good
you
way.
make someone fall in love for you?
No, I don't do anything special. I think this is who I am. I have a very bold personality. I think that I'm very bossy also in nature. Very dominating. जिसको पसंद है, जिसको प्यार में आना है, वो आ जाएंगे. So yeah, ऐसे ही आ जाते हैं.
आ जाएंगे. अच्छा हमें एक मिनट में बताओ कि why are you worthy for this show?
I think because I have everything what this show needs and I feel like कि I'm here to rule the villa. I'm the queen. I am your queen.
That's nice. So if you are here to rule the villa, obviously you need a king.
Of course, I definitely need a king for sure.
उस king में क्या qualities चाहिए आपको, क्या traits चाहिए उस king में?
So I really want somebody who understands and also somebody who listens to me. क्योंकि लड़कों में हमेशा most of the लड़के में ये trend ये एक होता है उन लोग का कि हम जो सोचते हैं वही है, मतलब वो last decision है. No, you have to also ask me if I am okay with that decision or not. Anushka, tell me, तू क्या सोच रही है?
So you want an understanding relationship.
Absolutely. A
और
very
कौन सी
mature one.
qualities हैं जो आप बिल्कुल tolerate नहीं कर सकते?
I think वही यार, अगर तुम मतलब आते हो सामने ये सोचते हो कि मैं मर्द हूँ, that male ego कि हाँ मेरा decision ही last होगा, मैं जो बोलूँगी वही होगा. No, that is like a biggest turn off for me if I have to talk about a man.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है आपकी बातों से कि आप बहुत experienced हो.
I'm only 21. I've just been in 2 relationships. I'm not experienced. It's just I've seen the world. मुझे पता है कि दुनिया कैसे चलती है and I know what it takes to continue with a long-term relationship.
So what kind of a relationship you're looking for?
Of course, something which will last, you know.
Long term?
Long term, for sure. Because मेरे लिए ये hookup culture, you know, situationships, एक तो इतना नाम आ गया है, ये shape, वो shape, मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है. What are these Gen Z terms? I mean, I'm also a Gen Z. I mean, क्या है ये? मुझे समझ में नहीं आता यार. Relationship में हो तो हो. ये क्या बात हुई यार? Relationship में हो, commitment नहीं देना है. Commitment है तो relationship नहीं, ये क्या है?
I hope you get a guy इस विला में.
I hope that
जो आपको कमिटमेंट दे सिचुएशनशिप में ना अटकाए. बट हर किसी का ना प्यार में कोई क्यूट या फिर अनयूजुअल सा क्वर्क होता है. आपका क्या है?
Physical appearance, I would say I've always dated tall men.
So you
my
like
type is tall men.
men.
Some curly hairs maybe because my ex was also like that. I have always been attracted men like that. Abs of course because मैं भी बहुत physically fit हूँ. I've been a national level gymnast, gold medalist in Bharatanatyam. So I'm very physically fit and I also want my guy to be that. So
you've had an ex. तो ऐसा कोई स्टोरी रहा है क्या haunting सा या फिर कुछ ऐसा जो आज भी याद नहीं करना चाहती हो?
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है.
So I've been sweet?
Not sweet exactly. कौन सा breakup sweet होता है? ये जो लोग बोलते हैं ना mutual understanding में breakup हो है, ये सब नहीं. Of course breakup does hurt you a lot. But yeah, I mean I've moved on. It's okay. It's gone.
And if the guy comes in this show then?
हाँ आने दो ना. Good for him. Good for him.
You'll have no problem. चलेगा क्या? आया ठीक है.
आओ मैं तो बोलती हूँ आओ. I want him to come.
So there are some toxic traits relationship में, सबके ही होते हैं किसी ना किसी के. तो कोई ऐसा toxic trait है जो तुम्हें relationship में नहीं चाहिए?
यार एक गिल्टी प्लेजर काइंड ऑफ मैं चीज़ बोलना चाहती हूँ यहाँ पे. मैं रिलेशनशिप में एक चीज़ करती हूँ, दैट इज़ इफ़ आई एम मैड एट यू और समथिंग, लाइक सुपर मैड, बहुत गंदा झगड़ा हो गया, आई डोंट माइंड गोइंग टू अदर गाय एंड टॉक just to make him jealous. I don't want that to, you know, that for him. मैं नहीं चाहती कि वो ये करे. It's toxic, I know, but I'm really sorry. This is like
So
something
you
I'm
have
guilty
that
of.
toxic trait,
Yeah.
but you don't want कि तुम्हारे connection में वो
Yeah.
trait
You can call me an hypocrite, you can call me double standard, but it is what it is.
अच्छा, do you have any fetish?
Abs. Abs ka baby, because I am also very muscular and everything, and I like would love to touch, feel. And
So that's your love language या love language कुछ और है?
my love language is me being a bachcha, me being cute, me being naughty, me being coming from back and grab him. That is me.
Sweet,
So-
very sweet. So if you feel a connection with some guy,
Yeah.
तो you'll play safe या फिर you'll be like कि हाँ मैं तो प्यार में ही हूँ इसके अब.
नहीं, ऐसे प्यार नहीं होता है. आपको 2 दिन में आपको कैसे प्यार होता है?
नहीं 10 दिन में हो 11 दिन में हो, but you know कि अब मुझे इससे प्यार होता है, so you'll play safe.
तो मैं क्या करती हूँ बेसिकली, आई नेवर अप्रोच. आप पहले से आते हो, वेल एंड गुड. ऑफ कोर्स इफ आई एम आल्सो अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड्स यू, आई विल गो, आई विल टॉक टू यू. डे 1 से बहुत क्लैरिटी रहेगी कि भाई ये है वो है. प्यार तो अभी ऐसा नहीं है कि भाई हाँ आ गए, आई लव यू बोल दिया, ऐसा नहीं होता है. बट ऑफ कोर्स इफ आई फील लाइक यू नो आई गॉट फीलिंग्स, बिकॉज यू नेवर नो, फीलिंग्स कभी भी आ सकता है. 1 दिन में भी आ सकते हैं, 1 घंटे में भी आ सकते हैं, 1 साल में भी आ सकता है. सो कभी अगर आता है, आई विल टेल हिम ऑफ कोर्स. एंड
One day you'll play safe.
I mean, who won't here, who won't?
Okay, if you fall in love, suppose. So at what extent can you go in love? Like किस हद तक जा सकती हो प्यार में?
I can fuck the world for him. It's like he's my king. Don't you dare. I won't even see if opposite person is a man or a woman. I'll fuck that world.
और अगर प्यार में इतनी हद तक जा सकती हो, तो स्प्लिट्सविला के टाइटल के लिए किस हद तक जा सकती हो?
वो तो देखेंगे ऑडियंस.
You can?
मैं बोलती कम हूँ, मैं टास्क में मैं दिखाती हूँ काम में.
तो कोई प्लान या स्ट्रैटेजी बना के आई हो शो के लिए?
नहीं ऐसा नहीं. I'm being myself. This is me. This is who I am. This is me who I've always been. So no strategy till now, but yeah, I mean, game तो शुरू होने दो for sure.
So I think कि you are here to win the title. Fully
For sure,
prepared.
obviously.
तो अगर शो में आगे जाने के लिए आपको फेक कनेक्शन बनाना पड़ा, तो would you make it?
अगर मुझे ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग मुझे कनेक्शन नहीं मिल रहा है प्यार वाला, मुझे करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज आई एम ऑल्सो हियर टू विन. अगर फेक कनेक्शन बनानी होगी बनाऊंगी.
That's good. I think it's very good to be real और raw रहना is important.
Absolutely.
इसी के साथ मैं एक और चीज़ पूछना चाहूँगी कि समझ लो ये सामने वो लड़का खड़ा है जिसके साथ तुम्हारा कनेक्शन बिल्डअप हो रहा है, या someone you like. So what would be your go-to flirting line with him?
Flirting line.
Yeah.
I'm very bad at pickup lines because I've never ever given pickup lines
So
to
some
somebody
turn
else.
on, something like that. What would be your
Yeah,
turn on?
I'll just look at him. I'll play with my eyes. I'll look, and I'll just walk and
My
He'll be
magic is everywhere.
yeah, it is. It is.
It is?
That everyone
Let's
is
see.
gonna get to see very soon.
We are really excited to see that. Well, which is worse, being dumped or being ignored?
I think both. I think both. That
Both?
is like very embarrassing. I would never go at that point. मैं वैसी बंदी हुई नहीं. मैं अगर देख रही हूँ कहीं पे कनेक्शन बन रही है, हाँ अगर वो एक तरफा है मैं तो जाके तोड़ूंगी. बट मैं देख रही हूँ दोनों इंटरेस्टेड है, भाई रहने दो. क्यों चाहूँ मैं? आई डोंट वांट टू बी बिकॉज आई एम
ऐसे ही
समबडी.
अगर कोई तुम्हारे कनेक्शन पे हिट करने आ जाएगा तो?
प्लीज मैं तो बोलती हूँ मत आओ. अगर आओगे बच नहीं पाओगे. ट्रस्ट मी, आई वुड फील वेरी बैड टू फक यू अप, बट प्लीज डोंट कम.
You guys need to be very very ऐसे संभल के रहना पड़ेगा, इससे डेंजर है यार थोड़ी सी. But it's good. It's good.
But it's sweet danger though, huh?
Yeah,
Sweet
sweet
one
danger.
thing, and also one thing that is, I don't chase, I attract. And I would never go behind a man. He will come behind me, and I know he will.
Yeah,
Many
he
will, many will.
Well, I guess हमने बहुत कुछ जान लिया आपके बारे में. Moving forward, we have a game for you, जिसका नाम है
Okay.
Check It और Chuck It. तो एक रैपिड फायर राउंड है. मैं आपसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगी और आपको मुझे जल्दी जल्दी बताना है कि ये चेक इट है या चक इट है,
Okay.
विद अ रीजन व्हाई.
Cool, let's
ओके, So imagine these questions are around your boyfriend. Okay? So what if your boyfriend always checks your phone?
No.
Chuck it?
Absolutely chuck it. Absolutely no. I can check his. He can't check mine. No.
Share your toothbrush.
No. Not at all. बिल्कुल भी नहीं. That is यार chuck it बोलूँगी because वो बहुत ज़्यादा प्राइवेट होता है ना. हाइजीन का भी इशू है. सुनो.
Flirts with other girls when drunk.
ये तो I think every girl will agree with me. Chuck it man. Absolutely not. Not. थप्पड़ पड़नी चाहिए ऐसे ब्लॉन्डी को.
Friends with his ex.
Can I say neutral because
It can be beach guys.
yeah beach का तो I don't support it but yeah I mean ठीक है मैं देखूँगी equation
Depends
कैसा
on the
है.
ex.
Depends on the ex. Not even on the ex. Depends on my guy. कि दोस्त है
Okay.
कि क्या है.
Prompts in uploading story but is very slow when it comes to replying to your text.
मैं वैसे बंदे के साथ होंगे क्यों जिसका मैं फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी नहीं हूँ.
Wants to know your live location.
I think check it for sure because I think safety is very important.
Yes. Mama's boy.
Chuck it. No, sorry, I can't stand up. Sorry.
PDA lover.
I think depends कि कैसा हमारा bonding है, relationship कितना अच्छा चल रहा है. अगर बहुत अच्छा then of course check it for sure.
Says I love you too soon.
ठीक है, बोलना है दिल का बात बोल दो. Check it.
Is a struggler who makes end meet. He's at a struggling phase पे.
It's okay. Check it. I would love to be with him when he's struggling. I would love to be the woman because I'm always someone who uplifts others and I think that is something I would love to do.
Talks dirty with you in a serious situation.
Sometimes it's okay but no. Like serious situation है नहीं.
Chuck it?
Chuck it.
Okay, I guess ये भी बहुत मज़ेदार थे. Being very clear with your answers. Moving next, I have the last sequence for you.
Okay.
That's मैं आपको कुछ props बताऊंगी.
Yeah.
आपको उसमें से एक prop select करना है जो आपकी personality से match होता है.
Okay.
Okay? So the props are blindfold, feather tickler, heels, playing cards, candle, hunter, lollipop और banana.
I think it's heels.
Wait, let me do the magic. Dun-dun-dun. Why?
Because I'm always somebody who is, who always likes to stand tall in any situation. So, and I'm always, very much deeply rooted towards my principles. So, I think this is something.
That's really great. Well, what message would you love to give to all the boys in the villa?
मैं आ रही हूँ. नहीं आई पहले. मैं आ रही हूँ. So get ready because whosoever is gonna be my connection and even if कोई connection नहीं भी है, दोस्त है, your life is gonna get changed because the queen is here.
अच्छा, boys के लिए तो प्यार भरा मैसेज हो गया. What message would you love to give to the girls in the villa?
Girls के लिए भी same यार. I mean, ऐसा नहीं है कि I'm not being humble. I'll not be humble towards them because I always believe in kindness. But if you fuck with me, I'll definitely fuck with you as well.
So this is the message you want to give?
Yeah. And it's same for the boys as well. ऐसा नहीं है सिर्फ लड़के के लिए लड़कियाँ नहीं, सबके लिए. If you're good to me, you have my support, you have me throughout. But if you're not good to me, दोगले लोग जो होते हैं ना, इधर कुछ बोलते हैं, वहाँ कुछ बोलते हैं. If you're that, I'm sorry. I'm gonna fuck you up, no matter what.
That's really great. She's very clear with her thoughts. Last में मैं पूछना चाहूँगी, कोई मैसेज आप देना चाहोगे आप जितने भी फैंस हैं उन सबको?
I think this is something new which everyone is going to see because everybody has always seen me like waving hands, giving kisses in pageants and all. But here I think I'm being myself. मैं जो हूँ मैं वो दिखा रही हूँ और मैं दिखाऊंगी. So I think I'm very excited for this and I'm sure the audience who's gonna watch me, they will also love me a lot.
Even we are very excited now. All the best for the show.
Thank
Let's
you.
say a bye and give a flying kiss to them.
Bye-bye.